Hello Pisces, this is your December reading. So sorry I'm little bit late here, but yeah, we will see what will happen for the month of December 2021 for Pisces. So Pisces, this is a general reading. So yeah, take what resonates with you. Okay. And if you are new to this channel, welcome to my channel, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. So yeah, we will see what we have for Pisces in the month of December 2021. We will see the energies here. Okay, so yeah, what we have for Pisces. King of Swords, the Sun, and the Page of Swords, and the King of Cups in your overall energy, and the Five of Swords here back to back. So we have Leo is very strong here with the Sun card, and the King of Cups, which is Cancer, Pisces, and the Scorpio. King of Swords and the Page of Swords, we have Air energy, Aquarius, Libra, and Gemini. So Pisces, your overall energy is King of Cups. We all know that Pisces is a very emotional energy, very grounded energy, and a very calm and composed energy. Pisces is very he or she is always in their own energies. They don't want to give energy to anyone. They are their own company, and they are still itself they are enjoying their own company. So the King of Cups is telling you that here the overall energies, you are just a very you are in your energy right now. With this King of Cups, I am feeling that you are just wanted to show some love towards someone, or maybe someone wants to show this love towards you with this King of Cups. Like, look at this is not a knight or page, this is a king. Okay, so yeah, this is a very good energy, very positive energy in your reading. Someone is showing you a very hard, very blunt nature, very something very egoistic nature or something like that, but this is a showing from outside, not inside. Inside, this person is very loving, as I said, with this King of Cups. Maybe it's your person energy, that's why I'm saying. So the Page of Swords here clearly telling me that some keeping an eye on you, like someone which is showing this King of Swords towards you, but secretly he's watching you, keeping an eye on you. Or Page of Swords is also telling me that some clarity, wanted to give you some clarity here, wanted to give some love here. In your reading, the Sun is appearing. Pisces, what else you want? After this Sun card, what else you want? So someone is spying on you. Someone is discussing about you also, because Page of Swords is also about discussion. It's also about gossip. It's also about some some discussion or meeting. So yeah, or you are spying on someone. Okay, energy can be vice versa. Take what resonates or suit with you. So the Queen of Cups, King of Swords, and the Page of Swords is all just a minor arcana here, and the Sun is appearing in your card, Pisces. Whatever the situation, whatever the condition you have faced in the past, your recent past, or you are facing right now, in December, you will definitely receive some clarity with this Page of Swords and the Sun. You will definitely receive this offer, this cup of love, this swords, the victory situation, love, commitment, marriage, engagement, whatever you want. Because the sun is showing your overall energies, your overall whatever you want, like some opportunity in your career, some one step forward to your business, or maybe it's your love situation. So yeah, definitely someone is going to give you this clarity, or you are going to find this clarity. Okay, you are going to find this clarity with this Page of Swords. You are researching, you are inspecting, you are detailing everything, you are analyzing everything, you are just, yeah, maybe this is your energy, like you are showing people around you, are showing for the world. This is King of Swords, like you are very in a source energy, like very blunt, very powerful, and very mature, and very leadership qualities, like as we know about King of Swords. So here the from inner, from you are in this energy, your true and real self is this King of Cups. Okay, and also look at this, either just King of Pentacles is also appearing, like king, you are just going to, it's a big card here, like with this 2 king or 3 king, the sun is appearing. You are going to achieve everything you want, Pisces, definitely, because the sun is appearing and the love and light is coming into your life. Definitely light, whatever you are facing. And as we know, your nature, your loving gestures towards everyone, so this is your reward. So the December is going to be very happening, and as we all know, Christmas is coming, New Year is coming, so everything is going to be all right. Okay, everything is going to be all right. After this sun, everything is going to be all right. You no need to worry. Okay, definitely you are inspecting something, or someone is inspecting you, or detailing you, or analyzing something about you, or you are analyzing something about someone. 5 of Swords is appearing. Maybe something has happened which is not good for you, but you are just kept patience, so that's why you are receiving this reward, because you have inspecting, you are analyzing things a lot. Okay, you are going to receive this sun. We will see one card for Pisces as an outcome or message. I will see 3 of Wands. It's a great card. 3 of Wands is all about planning, as I said, detailing, inspecting, keeping an eye on something, or just researching on something, just extracting messages, extracting news, extracting the things you want it. Okay, so that's why maybe you are planning, you are just planning to go abroad, or you are just doing some international business, international studies, international planning, or about business, or you are going to shift abroad or something like that. Because 3 of Wands is also telling me planning and plotting all the things which you have researched a lot about this. Okay, so maybe some traveling is involved here also, and you are going to be very happy with the Sun card. This 3 of Wands, and the 3 of Wands is a card of Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. Okay, so yeah, the Wheel is appearing. Wow, Pisces, the 2 best major arcanas of mine, my favorite. Wheel is appearing. The Wheel of Fortune is a very great card, very destined card, and a very luckiest card. The destiny is with you. Wheel of Fortune and the Sun, what a combination here. 7 of Wands, the Sun and the Wheel. Luck is on your side. If you are planning something, you are researching on something, then you will get this reward soon. Okay, you will definitely get this reward soon. So Pisces, this is your reading, and overall it's a great card, great energies here I am picking up for Pisces. So if you like what I do, so please subscribe to my channel and share with your family and friends. Thank you.